And now you are ready to learn some awesome tips to keep your data safe. So welcome to Module 7, the Vault. We cannot end this course without addressing security because you want to make sure access to your data is safe. So the first tip is to set a reminder to change your password every 3 months. I know it's a pain, and I used to not pay attention to that, but I learned with experience that it's actually very important to just set a reminder on your phone, change your password every 3 months. Also, make sure you sign out after using a publicly shared computer. It's very easy to be too rushed and you forget about it, so make sure you sign out. And then I would consider the two-step verification process. This uses your password plus a verification code that is sent to your cell phone via text. So if you want to turn it on, then you go to your profile photo, you move your cursor and you'll see the privacy and settings tab. Then go to your account, and to manage security settings, okay, you click turn on under the two-step verification section, and then you'll enter your cell phone number. You'll receive a verification code, and once you have that code, you will enter that code into the box, and you'll be all set. So definitely consider that as just a quick step that can save your data. Of course, you can always turn it off if you don't like it. And once you've turned it off, all you need to log on is your username and your password. And finally, and I love this, is that you can remotely log off of your LinkedIn account. This is a critical security feature, especially if you realize that you've left your LinkedIn account open on a public computer, or maybe you suspect that your account was hacked and you want to immediately boot out whoever is accessing it. So first you go to LinkedIn.com settings, then you go to sessions, you go to other active sessions, you select sign out and immediately change your password. Okay, so keep your data safe, it's worth it. Now, what's next? Because you've learned all these strategies to strengthen your network, you learned about LinkedIn Premium, you learned about publishing on LinkedIn. So what do you do next? Well, I'm going to challenge you to make one change today, to take one step to make your profile better. And of course, keep that up to date. Create a plan to update your LinkedIn profile. So this is not just nice information to have, but is action that you'll take in the next few days. Take one step today, remember, to make your profile better and to keep it up to date. And the second most important thing you have to keep in mind is that there is so much more you can learn and more tools you can incorporate to further your business and your career. So you're learning, keep up the learning, keep up the growth. There's a lot more information coming out on LinkedIn all the time, so stay updated, not only on how to use LinkedIn, but on how to use social media to strengthen your personal brand and to advance your career. So I hope this course served you and helped you tap into the power of this amazing tool. I would love to get your feedback, on this course, so please drop me a line and tell me how it helped you, or if you'd like to see something I didn't cover. I'm always improving my courses. And as I always say, reveal your magnificence today and every day. Show the world what you can do.